Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about two universities CSE scholarship, Central South University and Chongqing University. So type in Google CSE Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here is the detail about China scholarship, applying procedure and required documents, professors emails and list of universities and associate scholarship, all details and presidential scholarship as well, and just online universities list, so you can get any information about China scholarship. So let's start. We know our main topic is Chongqing University CSE scholarship and Central South University CSE scholarship. Click on that link. After that you can see here's the detail about Chongqing University CSE scholarship, and authority is Chinese government scholarship, and university name is Chongqing University. Student category master and PhD students. Scholarship type fully funded, and monthly allowance 3000 RMB for master and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Okay, and 25th of April 2021 is the last date. Eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria for Chongqing University CSE scholarship 2021? All international students can apply. Age limit for bachelor 25, and for if your major, if for bachelor I think major is in English, is in Chinese. So for master and PhD student 35, and for PhD and 40 years. Okay, all you can apply with English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. How to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSE online application form. Click here to fill, and how you fill this form, why this video. Okay, and after that you need to fill Chongqing University online application form. How to fill and how to where you get this link, click here. Okay, and now upload all required documents on CSE portal and Chongqing University portal. No need to send hard copies. Okay, no need to send hard copies, and need to pay 400 RMB application fee. After submitting Chongqing University online application form, you need to pay Chongqing University University portal you need to pay Chongqing University 400 RMB application fee on University portal. You can pay this fee by two method. So first is online application payment. Applicants to only applicable to applicants who are already in China, paying by WeChat LPR bank card. And if you are not in China, then you need to pay through bank. Remark your name and passport number on the transfer voucher and send the copy to this email address. Okay, and means the fee receipt sent to this email address after submitting the online application after submitting the fee through bank. Okay, and remark is your name and passport. Okay, this is the bank detail on which you deposit your 400 RMB application fee. After that you need to check your you must need to check your status daily, and result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, click here to apply on CSE portal and click here to apply on University portal. Now document required list for Chongqing University CSE scholarship. First you fill CSE online application form, signed and scanned copy of CSE application form. Okay, and Chongqing University online application form, highest degree certificate and transcript of highest education, and your personal statement. Include your personal statement indicating your past academic background and a study plan or a research proposal not less than 800 words in English. Okay, and two recommendation letter, curriculum vitae, and your curriculum vitae. I mean, in your CV you must include your personal information, educational background, work experience and research work, publications, honors and other information must included in your curriculum vitae. So this is also uploaded on an online portal. So passport homepage, and with 1 year validity means now today is the date is 17th April 2021, and your passport must be valid till 17th of March. So today is 17th of March 2021. Your passport must valid till 17th of March 2022. Okay, upload physical examination form with blood test report. Means blood test report, electrocardiography report and X-ray report. These must included in your report with the physical examination form. You need to merge these files, all files. Means physical examination form 2 pages, blood test report 1 page, and electrocardiography 1 page, and X-ray report. All these pages merge into one PDF file and upload in both systems, in CSE system and UST online application system. Click here to download the physical examination form. Okay, certificate of no criminal record, police clearance certificate is also mandatory. English proficiency certificate is also mandatory. IELTS is not mandatory. Acceptance letter, it's optional. Click here to download the acceptance letter format. Click here to get the official advertisement about this university. So here is the major list is School of Energy and Power Engineering, master degree. This is for master degree. School of Electrical Engineering, College of Mechanical Engineering, and School of Resources and Safety Engineering, School of Electrical Engineering, and College of Mechanical Engineering. And this is the major. So if your major is not in the list, then maybe you can apply. But here is they mention that supported programs may change and are subjected to the final approval of the China Scholarship Council. They say maybe it's changed. So if you want to take the risk, then you can do that. Otherwise, leave it. And I think in this for the university scholarship, mostly majors are available, so it depends on you how you can deal with that. So this is the procedure for Chungking University CSE scholarship. Now we move forward to the Central South University CSE scholarship. Chongqing University scholarship also already announced, so I'll make a video on Chongqing University scholarship in next video, so don't worry about this. So now Central South University CSE scholarship. Okay, and the authority is Chinese government scholarship, Central South University, master PhD students. This is for fully funded, monthly allowance 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies at initial stages. When after confirmation, after when your initial review has been passed and you need your scholarship almost confirmed, then you need to send your documents to the university. They will inform you, but due to COVID-19 it's not mandatory last year as well, so don't worry about it. Just online apply. Okay, Central South University deadline is 30th of April 2021. Okay, eligibility criteria: all international students can apply, master age 35 and 40. For PhD, IELTS is not mandatory. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. Majors available for CSE, B category program, university program, civil engineering, traffic engineering, engineering, Chinese and English program are available in. This is the medical sciences, nursing, pharmacy, public health, and these kind of things. Okay, student for all students. This is for all students, all country students. Okay. And Silk Road scholarship program is supported student category, master, PhD, and master and doctor candidate, and these are the majors. Okay, Silk Road program is also under B category. This is not for A category, but some specific programs are included in this category, like computer science and engineering, control science and engineering, mathematics, physics, English, and teaching programs. Students from the Belt and Road countries, click here to check. Okay, and countries, you can check your country list here. China Africa program scholarship is also available. This is for master and doctoral student program, and the majors included in civil engineering, traffic and transportation engineering, and English teaching program. So these are the majors. So students from African countries are eligible for this. So how to apply for the Central South University CSE scholarship? First you fill Central South University online application form. After that you need to fill Central South University online application form. Result will be announced at the end of July. You need to pay the application fee after passing the initial review. When you submit the online application form, university will review your documents. After reviewing, when your initial review will be passed, then you need to pay the 500 RMB application fee. Okay, so documents, maybe they require documents, but last time they not required any kind of documents. Okay, so click here to apply on CSE portal and click here to apply on university portal. So required documents for CSE scholarship, Central South University. So when you are they not required any kind of documents last year, so maybe they required. If they required after receiving your university email, so then you need to send documents. Otherwise you don't need to send any kind of documents. So first you fill CSE online application form, Central South University. Okay, and the agency number is 105333. So please sign after print this form. Second, you fill university online application form. Second, you fill Central South University online application form. Highest copy transcript, police clearance certificate must be issued after December 2020. Okay, study plan specific. Please specify the previous research background and prospective research field not less than 800 words. A copy of bank receipt for the material viewing for RMB 500 yuan. You need to upload 500 RMB application fee receipt on online application portal after confirmation, after passing the initial review. 2 recommendation letters, other supporting documents like published paper, reward and certificate, photocopy passport with more than 1 year validity. Okay, physical examination form photocopy, the must. Physical examination form photocopy must means physical examination form will be issued after December 2021 English proficiency certificate. And for medical user, you must provide user must provide HSK4, and click here to download the acceptance letter format. Acceptance letter is not mandatory. You can check the result for Central South University CSE scholarship, how many students they select last year. You can get the result here. So click here to get the official advertisement of Central South University. You can click here and get your desired results, and you can check all details here. Other details already I told you, so no need to explore here. So if you want to explore, then you must read this form, you read this portal. So hope so you get this. Everything will be fine for you after when you are applying, so don't worry about this. Just first fill CSE form, and second you fill university online application form and upload all required documents. And 30th of April 2021 is the last date. That's it. And after passing the initial review, you need to pay 500 RM application fee for Central South University. And in the next video, inshallah, I will tell you how to apply for Chongqing University's university scholarship. So good luck and take care of yourself.